Guys, what's going on? This is my first unboxing video and thank you and welcome to my channel. My husband actually got this Joel Osteen cube. I don't know what it's about, but let's check it out. Okay, we got a thank you letter. Tissue. Oh, Joel Osteen cube. So, let me show you around the box. We got the 365 daily inspiration with 52 weekly sermons. There's a built-in speaker, so I guess every day you get a devotional message from him. And we all need some God message in our lives. I know that's right. Okay, let's go ahead and open this thing. So this kind of reminds me of the Amazon Echo Dot. Hey Alexa, no I'm just kidding. Hey Joel, no, hey God. Yeah, so you're like talking to God every day. It comes with the USB charger, plug it in. We got the little inspiration instruction manual. So if you guys want to check it out, go to lakewoodchurch.com or joelosteen.com and you just make your donation and they'll send you one of these babies. Go get them today. Let's test this out. So here's the power button. You get the date and the time. Please set. I'll be right back. Let's set this up. Power has the time and the date. Let's go ahead and press this daily affirmation.
I declare you will experience God's faithfulness. You will not worry. You will not doubt. You will keep your trust in Him, knowing that He will not fail you. You will give birth to every promise God put in your heart, and you will become everything God created you to be.
Oh, and then you can keep your favorite ones that you like, the message that you like. Here's the play button. Let's check out the daily inspiration.
There's a lot of compromise in our society. People that think nothing about being dishonest, making underhand.
You can put pause, we can play it, we can go backwards, we can go forward. There's a sermon on here. So yeah guys, I actually like this. This is really good. So like if you don't have time to read in the morning, you gotta go to work, you gotta take your kids to school, just hit that play button and get dressed, listen to a sermon while you're getting dressed. So guys, check it out, joelosteen.com or lakewoodchurch.com. May God bless you.